here. That's it, Doc, here. Good, very nice boy. What you got? What you got? Good. Ready? Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. That's it, here. Get it. Good, that's it. Very good boy. Nice. Nice job. Ready? Up, 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 up. Get it. That's it. Here. Woo! Yeah! Good boy. Good. Good. Very nice. See it. Good.
That's good.
Yeah, he can do it. He just needs a little juggling. So let's see if we can get it. He's very, very soft.
Yeah.
But he also needs to understand, you know, he's not going to take a lot of pressure, but do it.
Right.
You know, I think he'll, if he doesn't come, you know, get him to you.
Okay.
Hey, up, 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 up.
Attaboy. Get it, Doc. Get it, Doc. Good. Good. Here, Doc. All
right. Boy. Good.
Sit. Sit. Good.
That's it. Good boy.
Very good.
Good. One more.
Yeah.
Sit.
That's it.
So right from now, you don't jump up and grab the bird.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Hey.
Got it. One more time, Doc.
Hey. Up, 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 up. Duck, 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 duck.
Attaboy, Doc. Here. Here, Doc. Good.
Good boy.
Good boy, Doc. Here. Doc, here. Good. Sit. Good. Sit. Good.